So you join me again back in the garage, and today is part 2 for cleaning the intercooler. So previously we cleaned the externals of the intercooler, so today, part 2, we're actually going to be cleaning all the internals. So I've gone ahead, removed the intercooler itself, removed the pipes, I've removed the silencer as well, and I've just turned everything upside down to sort of like let all the oil run off, because there was actually, I don't know, no, it's not going to pick it up, but there is oil in these pipes. It's not horrendous. I mean, you can see a little drop there. You can see from this pipe there is oil, and this pipe actually runs from the silencer. Yeah, that's the pipe from the silencer to the intercooler. So now we've removed the whole intercooler and that, I've gone ahead, removed that sensor from in there. And then what we need to do is we need to blank off these ends so that we can fill everything up and clean it all. Luckily enough, I actually had a bracket previously made up for the hitching points in the back of the T4, but this actually fits perfectly over there. So what I'm going to be doing, what I've done is I've got a bit of a gasket on there, so I can put that over, seal that end up. We'll seal the bottom end up, and we'll start pouring in fluids. We'll flush it through, and then I'm going to leave it to settle for a little while. Yeah, and we'll try and clean out all the crap from inside. So that's the outlet on the intercooler, and that pipe looks really clean. But you can see what's coming into the intercooler, and that is collecting quite a lot of oil. You can see it's actually running out from the baffles, so it definitely needs a good clean. Yeah, that looks like a little puddle down there of oil. And in here, yeah, you can see where the oil's run down. But in fact, it doesn't look too bad in there. But when you rinse it all out, I think you're going to be surprised how much oil comes out. So where we're at, we're ready to start flushing it through. So I'm just going to run through a little bit of petrol. So that's what we've got. We've got some petrol. Petrol evaporates. So we're going to pour some in, and then that will just work its way down. And we're just going to flush it out to start off with. Just a quick flush, and then I'm going to cap this end off, cap that end off once it's full. So to cap this end off, I'm going to do exactly the same as what I've done this end, which is basically a bit of plastic sheeting, and that will go over the end, and then this hose will just push over, and that should seal it up. First thing, let's pour some fuel in. so it's all clean. It's looking really good. No oil in there at all. Intercooler, pipes, everything's good. Now, it would be pointless doing all of this without fitting an oil catch can, right?